and welcome to Your Nomad School, where I'm here to guide you through building sustainable remote income streams and living life as a digital nomad. My name is Roland Crate, and I've been living this lifestyle for quite some time now, traveling the world, working remotely, and helping others do the same. This course will guide you step by step to develop multiple income streams, master the digital nomad lifestyle, and navigate the transition to freelancing, all while maintaining balance and success. Now, I know what you're thinking. How am I going to deliver all this valuable content and stay engaged with you throughout the course? Well, I'm excited to let you know that I have assistants to help me present this course. So my assistants are designed to make learning even more engaging, dynamic, and honestly, a lot of fun. While I'll be checking in with you, one of our AI avatars will deliver many of the lessons, walking you through each concept step by step. Don't worry, our assistant is just as invested in your success as I am, and together we'll make sure you get the most out of this course. Now let's go and learn the skills so you can build the income.
Hello, I'm Angela. I'm one of Roland's assistants and your guide, while Roland is always in the background, ready to help you navigate your journey. In the course we are bringing to you, I'll explain concepts, break down lessons, and provide actionable tips so you can implement what you learn immediately. Plus, I'll add a unique flair to make the content more engaging. So, let's get started on this adventure. Together, with Roland's expertise and myself as your interactive guide, you're going to learn how to build a thriving remote career and truly embrace the freedom of working from anywhere. The digital nomad lifestyle is more than just working from a laptop. It's a way to take control of your work and life, creating the freedom to live anywhere while earning a sustainable income. But to thrive as a digital nomad, you need to know more than just how to work remotely. Today, we'll cover not only what this lifestyle looks like, but also how you can successfully transition into it with practical steps. Lecture 1. What is the digital nomad lifestyle? Introduction. The digital nomad lifestyle is more than just working from a laptop. It's a way to take control of your work and life, creating the freedom to live anywhere while earning a sustainable income. But to thrive as a digital nomad, you need to know more than just how to work remotely. Today, we'll cover not only what this lifestyle looks like, but also how you can successfully transition into it with practical steps. Key concepts and practical solutions. 1. Defining the digital nomad lifestyle. Solution. To become a digital nomad, the first step is to evaluate whether your current job or skill set can transition to remote work. If you're in a traditional job, consider whether you can negotiate remote terms with your employer. If not, start learning in-demand skills like digital marketing, design, or web development that are highly sought after in remote job markets. 2. The rise of remote work. Solution. Take advantage of platforms like Upwork or Fiverr to find freelance gigs and start building a portfolio. If you prefer full-time remote work, websites like remote.co or We Work Remotely specialize in listing remote jobs across industries. Action. Start by taking on small projects that you can do alongside your current work, and gradually transition to a full-time digital nomad if it fits your goals. 3. Core benefits and how to leverage them. Freedom and flexibility. You have the ability to choose where and when you work. The trick is finding a balance between productivity and enjoying your new surroundings. Solution.
Thanks for setting that up. I'm Jay, let's keep the momentum going. Now, to make the most of the freedom and flexibility this lifestyle offers, you'll need practical solutions to stay productive and balanced. For starters, implementing time management techniques like time blocking or using apps like Trello and Toggle can help structure your day. And don't forget to create a dedicated workspace, even if it's temporary, to keep your focus sharp. Now, let's talk about exploration, one of the biggest draws of being a digital nomad. While traveling is exciting, constantly being on the move can disrupt your routine. Here's how you can navigate that. Solution. Plan your travel around your work schedule. Use tools like Nomad List to find cities with good Wi-Fi and co-working spaces that cater to digital nomads. Always prioritize locations that support your productivity.
Thanks, Jay. Hi there, I'm Kelly, and I'll be guiding you through the next part of the lecture. 4. Challenges and how to overcome them. Isolation. While remote work provides flexibility, it can be isolating. Solution. Join digital nomad communities such as Remote Year or Wi-Fi Tribe, or participate in online groups like Facebook Nomad Communities to meet other nomads and form support systems. Co-working spaces are also a great way to stay social and build networks.
Thanks, Kelly. Hi everyone, I'm Philip, and let's jump straight into our next points. Time management. With no boss watching over you, it's easy to procrastinate or struggle with consistency. Solution. Use productivity techniques like the Pomodoro method, where you work for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. Apps like Forest or Rescue Time help block distractions and stay focused. Financial stability. Freelancing or running a remote business can lead to unpredictable income streams. Solution. Diversify your income streams by not relying on just one client or job. Freelancers should build retainer agreements with clients for recurring work, while content creators can explore affiliate marketing or online courses to supplement their income.
All right, guys, here's an actionable mindset shift for you. To succeed as a digital nomad, you must embrace adaptability. You'll encounter time zone challenges, cultural differences, and unexpected disruptions. But being flexible and solution-oriented will ensure long-term success. Solution. Start small. Begin with a short remote work stint, either from home or a nearby destination, before making major changes. Gradually increase the time that you spend working remotely to acclimate to the lifestyle. And the conclusion. The digital nomad lifestyle offers incredible opportunities for freedom and growth, but it also requires a proactive approach to overcoming its unique challenges. With the right mindset, skills, and tools, you can create a successful, sustainable remote career. In the upcoming lectures, we'll dive deeper into how you can build remote income streams and attract high-value clients to sustain this lifestyle. Let's go. I hope you've enjoyed the little teaser of what we're going to bring to you. 5 Power Pack modules, 16 lectures, from mastering the digital nomad lifestyle to building income streams, attracting high-value clients, and scaling your business. Everything you need to create a location-independent life, and real-world assignments, hands-on tasks that turn knowledge into action. Build your vision, craft a winning pitch, create shareable content, and so much more. Also, you'll get downloadable resources, checklists, templates, and guides to simplify and supercharge your personal journey. I hope to see you succeed with Your Nomad School. Let's go get it.